To learn English, try taking a class to learn the foundational skills from a trained professional that speaks your native language. There are even English classes you can take online, some of them for free. Practice every day by reviewing your notes from a class and speaking the English words and phrases you're learning. Commit yourself to memorizing one new word a day, starting with the most commonly used words like I, good, time, and the verb to be. Work your way up to tougher words to build on your vocabulary. Once you have the basics down and understand some conversational English, start listening to English music or radio. Watch English shows and movies without the subtitles to fully immerse yourself in the language. While doing this, keep a pocket notebook to jot down words or phrases that you hear frequently and look them up later. If you know any English speakers, ask them to help you practice by talking with you in English. Remember, English is a tough language to learn, so try not to get discouraged if you find yourself struggling. Just keep practicing every day, and you'll get better.